Hi, in this video I'll be going over the top 5 stocks that I've found this week and how I rank stocks every week and scan for them and how you can as well. So here we have the chart of Robinhood, um, one of the top 5 stocks I have, just a simple cup and handle base pattern. These are the type of patterns I look for on these stocks. As we can see in the right side of the base, we have volume just drying up with the ATR line, the red line here, drying up as well. So really just a great setup overall. And if we pull up my spreadsheet, which goes over each stock's fundamentals as well as technical indicators, and through a variety of parameters, I add up which ones they meet and which ones they violate, and then I rank them based on uh, the total number. So this one is ranked number 1 because it is 18. So here we have Robinhood, which is ranked number 3, has met 16 of the markers. So for example, one of the markers we have financial, it's a leading sector, IPO in the last 10 years, earnings per share quarter over quarter, sales quarter over quarter plus 20%, net margin is plus 10%, margin acceleration, earnings per share surprise, etc., etc. I'm not going to go through every single one, but this is what I use to rank the stocks. And I can pull up my stock screener right here. I have 6 screeners I go through. As we can see, screener 1, 0 to 10% below high in an uptrend with earnings per share growth and sales growth quarter over quarter very high. Then I just kind of scan through, look for bases that are setting up, like DoorDash. This is a good base, etc., etc. Here I'll show my other screeners real quick. I'll just go over them. 0 to 3% near 52-week high, positive earnings and sales. This one is just pure performance. IPO near high, incredible fundamentals, and then low volatility near high. So I go through and I scan these stocks for uh, stocks that are setting up near the high as well, like PSMT. This one is setting up near the high well, and then I will put it in my screener. So like PSMT, as we can see here, it looks good on the setup over here. We have price action tightening near the base high, but in terms of the ranking system, it only meets 9 criteria and violates 4. So it's definitely, when you rank it up against everything else, doesn't stand up too well then. So here we have the hood chart. I'll go over to the other charts in my top 5. We have BioCryst Pharmaceuticals. This is a biotech company. A lot of biotech companies popping up on this chart. But same thing, base price price near the base highs with volume contracting and volatility contracting. So you get a breakout on a volume pop past the 50-day average. That's a great entry. I'll pull up this as well. It met 17 criteria. I'll pull up the other healthcare stock or biotech, I think, pharmaceutical, whatever. Kind of same thing in my mind. Anyways, this one is setting up well too with a kind of what I call this is a cup and handle mid cheat. So the real cup and handle would be up here near the high, but we've made this tight handle down here in the mid. So it does provide an entry here. And yesterday there was the volume surge past the 50-day average. So this is another good candidate that met 16 criteria and ranked number 4. I'll go over Nage. I'm not sure what this one is. Another biotech, I think, or pharmaceuticals. Um, this one has been absolutely ripping. It originally popped onto my watch list right here when it was at 936. I've been watching it since. And recently it's made this consolidation, came back up to the highs. Price got tight near the high, and today it's just ripping with, if I zoom in, you can see volume above the 50-day average. And for the last stock we have AEVA. which came up to the highs, consolidating near the highs, volume contracting, and would like to see the volatility contract as well, not just the volume. But yeah, that is how I screen for, rank, and kind of analyze my charts. Just a quick little brief summary of each component of my trading. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you find any value in this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Thank you.